welcome to this video. It's based on violations on eBay. So quite often you can get sort of like copyright violations, like we've already mentioned.
Trademark. Kind of stuff, yeah.
And this is just how we deal with it and make sure that we don't get any more from that brand. Because
Yeah.
one violation from one company is fine. It's just, it's a little slap in the wrist. If you continue to violate the same product,
From the same company,
company, then once again, you're not going to get in any real trouble, but eBay might start to take actions on your account, which you don't want. So.
Yeah, I mean, the actions they can take, first they warn you, but they can give you listing bans. They're nothing too sinister, nothing's going to happen to you, but you can get something where you get a 3-day listing ban, and then if you get something else, you can get 7-day and then 30-day. The reason why that's a problem is because you can't list, and listing helps with sales and growth. So we want to try and avoid them. So that's why we take this very seriously. And Matt's going to show us now on his messages when we get sent a message.
So yeah, usually guys, you'll have like in your task box here, you'll have a message from eBay. That's when you haven't dealt with it before and you've got to do that. I'm all up to date with mine at the moment, but I will just go and find the messages anyway.
Yeah.
And show you the process.
So we're just going to show the message now that you actually get sent. So you can actually see what a VERO violation looks like.
So I've got all sorts of messages from eBay.
So listing. Here we go. Listing been removed. One of those ones down there.
Oh, where's that? Oh, there we go. Right. Okay. So not duplicate. Let's go copyright.
Yeah. So this is when it's, as you can see, it says unauthorized image or text, and that's just because we're using the images straight off Amazon. And if they're part of the VERO program, then it gets flagged up because we have not got the permission to use that image. So what we do is we're just going to remove them. They do ask us, change the image, all that kind of stuff. Again, there are some sellers who will do that because they're different kinds of sellers or they actually have the product. They just haven't had the permission for the images. Yeah. But in our case, we are just drop shipping straight from Amazon. So we go on here and we actually copy these. What Matt's just doing there, he's actually copying the brand name. And that brand name we then put straight into our VERO list. But the first thing you will be doing is actually putting it on, searching on your listings on
easync.
On easync. And
sorry, John.
Right.
And just copied Hickeys there. That's the first one. As you can see, I've got quite a few. This would have been because I would have just done a big batch of listing. Mm-hmm. So that's often the case when you do a big batch. When you do a lot of listing, you usually get quite a few of these, but it's no biggie.
Yeah.
So I'm just going to copy that brand name. It's called Hickeys. Going onto my easync. Going to go onto my listings.
Now we have virtual advisors do this for us. So just show them anyway what we do, what everyone else will be doing. So we go onto the search bar, and then we paste it in, and then we find the listing. Now, there says no data right now, and that's because we have virtual advisors doing this for us. But this is exactly what they do. They copy and paste into the search bar on the listings page. Then it comes up, and then there's a little red button that says delist. If there's loads of them, you can just select like tick boxes or press the top corner tick box, which is select all. Yep, right there. And then you can just press delist, and then that'll get rid of all those listings, and then that'll won't take long to get rid of and remove on eBay. And then we go straight to the VERO blacklist. So you go settings, VERO blacklist, select eBay UK, and then we're going to put it in the brand blacklist. Now Matt chooses to put it in at the top. I put it in at the bottom. Don't know why. You just whichever way works, and then you click save, and that's it. That brand won't now be listed from Amazon. That stops you from getting another violation for the same company, because the issue is if you get them for the same company over and over, then you really start to you can get some trouble from eBay. Again, they'll never end up doing anything bad. We haven't seen anyone's accounts get blocked. There's nothing serious happens past any of this at the moment. It is all on. My phone's ringing. It's all on through eBay. So it's very easy to deal with. Put it on the blacklist, and then it'll help protect you from getting more violations.
So there we go, guys. That's how you deal with violations.
Yeah.
See you in the next video.
See ya.